Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video, and I just wanted to present you this, Shindo live, early stage Susanoo. So Carrot Bros, if you listen to this, if you see this, do not take this as an insult. I'm sorry if this model right here does not look as fire as yours, but I tried to recreate a little bit of, this Shindo live Susanoo, at least this early stage Susanoo. So some ideas I had in my head about that Susanoo I've seen years ago, so I don't even know if it is still in game yet. But yeah, so enjoy guys, and leave a like, subscribe, share this with all of your friends. Also comment if you want to see more on Naruto, Shindo live, Roblox content whatsoever. So comment it and enjoy.